Hello and welcome to another tutorial in Photoshop, this one on how to make your video watermark, which is another way to brand your channel. This brand though will be across all of your videos. Not sure what I'm talking about? I'll show you. The video you are watching now, if you look in your upper right corner, you'll see a little logo. That is a video watermark, which can get you more views and subscribers. In fact, that tiny little logo can be clicked on for your viewers to subscribe. Now, you may have seen a few videos before this one on how to design a watermark, and they all mentioned a different size. Well, none of them are wrong, because like with the video thumbnail, there are a few ways to design a watermark. Only YouTube has a max file size limit of 1 megabyte. Well, today I'll show you one very easy way to make your watermark. So in Photoshop, we'll open a new project. So we'll go up here to File, New. Now you'll need to name your project. Now, if in the preset sizes it already says 800 by 600, go ahead and leave that, because the width will be 800 pixels by 600 pixels for the height. Otherwise, choose Custom. So the width is 800, the height is 600 pixels. Resolution is fine, it's 72, and the mode is in the RGB color. That's fine, but make sure to check transparent and then click OK. Now you should have a light gray and white checkered background. Now, I said this was going to be easy, so I'm just going to be using text. You can choose whichever font and text color you like, but I'll be using my usual font, and for my text color I'll be choosing a light gray. So I'll choose my font. And then right about almost in the middle, I'll start typing. And then I'll get my move tool and position it just about in the middle. So now what you can do with your text, you can choose, you can choose any color you like. You can choose a blue or a yellow, anything you want. Or you can add a specific style to it, like I'm going to do. So I'm going to go back to the light gray, and then I'm going to go over here to the Styles palette and see how you can choose any type of style that you want. But I'm going to choose my usual style, which is the chrome effect. Now I need to go up here to Edit, Transform, Scale, and I need to resize that just a little bit. And then hit Enter. And now what I want to do is I want to add a blue outline to this. So I'll go down here to Add a Layer Style. Click on Stroke. Now the layer style window will pop up, and that will allow me to choose the color I want, which is going to be blue. So I click OK. Notice up here where it says Stroke Structure, I can choose the size of this outline if I want it thicker or thinner, and I prefer to leave it at 3 pixels. So now I'll go ahead and click OK. So now, to save your watermark, go to File and go down to Save for Web. Now, since I have already previously done this, the settings are already at PNG 24. If your settings are not at that, make sure you scroll down to where it shows PNG 24. When you do that, that ensures that you keep the checkered background, meaning that your image will be it maintains the transparency. So go ahead, and make sure that you check on transparency, and now click Save. So since mine is already saved, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this, but be certain that you remember where you saved your project, which folder you saved your project in. So now in YouTube, to upload your watermark, we go to your video manager, then go to channel settings, and scroll down to InVideo programming and click on that. Now, since I already have my watermark up here, you can already see it. This is not what your window will look like because you don't have a watermark yet. So I'm going to go remove that. And this is what it will look like. So to add your watermark, go ahead and click Add Watermark. And now you'll have to navigate to where you saved your project. So click on Choose File. There's my watermark. Click Save. And now you will get a preview of what your watermark will look like. Notice you still have the transparent background. That is the correct way of doing it. So once you see it like this, you know you have it right. So go ahead and click on Save. Now you can choose the display time. You can choose when you want your watermark to start appearing and when you want it to end. You can choose it for 10 seconds. You can choose it from 5 seconds all the way up to 60 seconds. You can choose it to play at the end of the video or through the entire video, but I like mine to be visible throughout the entire video because I want it to always be available for my viewers to be able to subscribe. So I'll go ahead and update that. Now go to Video Manager and I'll play a video. Now you won't see the watermark during the advertisements. And in any second, there we go. Skip. And see up here now, you see my watermark, and as I hover my mouse over it, you'll see the channel name, and of course it shows I only have 3 subscribers because I just started this. So I'm surprised that I have 3 subscribers already, but you can see that it's clickable, and that makes it available for people to subscribe. So that is how to make an easy watermark. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make another watermark. Not just with text, but text and an image, just like this one. So that's how you make an easy watermark. Well, that's it for this tutorial. I'm CJ Grace, and I will see you in the next video.